Briar the badger, with his sturdy claws and knowing eyes, was no ordinary creature. He explored ancient places. One day, he and Luna, a little fox, found themselves at Stonehenge, ready for an adventure. "Stonehenge is very old, Luna," Briar explained, his voice full of reverence. "No one is completely sure how the ancient people moved the massive stones to this location." Luna's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "But why are the stones here, Briar?" she asked, tilting her head and wagging her tail eagerly. "Knowledgeably, the stones line up with the sun," Briar explained. "Long ago, people used this place for special ceremonies." As the sun rose, a soft hum filled the air. A glowing portal shimmered into existence in the heart of Stonehenge. "Time for an adventure," Briar announced, stepping bravely towards the glowing gateway, Luna trotting closely at his heels. They stepped through the portal, finding themselves in a magical realm bathed in twilight, where the stones shone with an inner light. "This realm is in trouble," Briar observed, his voice grave. "A fog has trapped the land in endless twilight." Suddenly, a wise old owl swooped down, its eyes gleaming. "You must find the Druids Ogham to restore the sun," he hooted. "The sticks must be arranged in the correct order to unlock their power," the wise owl explained, his voice echoing. Determined, Briar nodded, resolutely. "Lead the way, wise owl. We will find these sticks." Together, they journeyed into a magical forest where glowing plants whispered secrets. After many twists and turns, they stumbled upon a hidden clearing. There, on a stone pedestal, lay the Druids Ogham sticks, each covered with glowing symbols. "The right order will unite the pixies and bring back the sun," the owl hooted, circling above. "Do!" Luna studied the sticks. "Briar, the symbols look like they tell a story. Maybe about peace." Carefully, Briar and Luna moved the sticks, trying different patterns. 5-2. It easy of the treat. At last, the symbols aligned, spelling unity. The sticks glowed brightly. A soft wind blew, and outside the forest, the fog began to lift. The sun rose, bathing the land in golden light. The pixie tribe smiled and danced in harmony. Briar and Luna stepped back through the portal as the real sun climbed higher. "We did it!" Luna exclaimed, her eyes sparkling. "And now the secrets of Stonehenge shine a little brighter," Briar added with a smile. From that day on, they knew friendship could light even the darkest twilight. Every summer solstice, they returned to Stonehenge, ready for new adventures.